Type 5 words. Draw a cat with a crown. 10 seconds later, a picture that has never existed anywhere. Where did it come from? It didn't search the internet. It didn't copy a photo. It painted. Let's slow it down. Every AI picture starts as this. Random dots. Pure mess. Nothing. Then the machine plays a strange game. It asks, what if a cat is hiding in this mess? Step 1. It pushes every dot just a little toward cat. Step after step, less mess, more cat. And your words steer every push. Crown pulls a crown onto its head. 30 steps later, a brand new picture, not copied, grown out of noise. How does it know what a cat looks like? You saw it in episode 3. It practiced on millions of real cat photos until it felt what cat-ness is. That's why it can draw anything. A cat in a crown, an astronaut on a horse. It mixes feelings of things, not copies. But it paints feelings, not facts. That's why AI hands sometimes have 6 fingers. So here's your trick. See a too perfect photo online, count the fingers. Check the ears. Feelings slip. Because now, pictures don't need cameras. You know how easy it is to grow one from noise. That's how AI draws. A billion dots pushed toward your words,